Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are
Good
you?
evening, sir.
Good evening,
Very,
sir.
very good evening, good evening. Chanda, good evening. Aditya, good evening. Chaitanya, good evening. Divyam, good morning. Panas, good evening. Who else is there? Who else is there? And let me check. Aditya, Skanda, Chaitanya, Divyam, Panas. One more person is there. Who is there? And Vihan. Okay, Vihan is not on screen. And Vihan, very good morning. First of all, I know it's Hindu New Year, so happy what? Pongal, Makar Sankranti, yeah, sort of so many names, right? Lohri. So tell me, guys, how you want to celebrate and how you celebrate it. How many of you are planning to fly the kite? Vihan, you're not able to hear me? Please rejoin. Let me check with him. Please rejoin. Vihan is not able to hear me. Okay. So tell me, is Kanda, Aditya, am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Good. So tell me, first of all, nobody responded. How many of you planning to fly the kite tomorrow? No?
Not me, sir.
Not you. No one else? No one? I'm going to fly kite tomorrow. No one? Chaitanya? No? Have you ever flown kite or not? Tell me, any one of you ever tried kite or not? There
No,
are no
sir.
kites in Germany. Oh, Panas, so nice, so bad. They don't know about kite Panas in Germany? Panas?
Yeah, there are not so many in Germany.
They will not know, maybe. Okay.
Excuse
What about? Yes, please, Chaitanya.
me, sir. I knew it. I live in India, but
I know you knew it. I'm telling in Germany. I know in India we all knew it. Yes, Chaitanya.
but sir, I am living in India, but there is no kites in Delhi on Makar Sankranti.
What? There is no. Oh, you are saying government banned it. No, no, no. There are so many kites in Delhi, in Jaipur. I can see so many kites. Every shop, every 100 meters, I can see a shop of kites.
Sir, there is celebration, not kites.
What?
There is celebration, not kites.
So celebrations are there. Even kite will tomorrow. A lot of people will fly kite. Okay, good. So no one is flying. No one is flying, right? Aditya, Aditya, how are you going to? Aditya, which festival are you going to celebrate tomorrow?
Pongal, sir.
Pongal. What all you do in Pongal? Tell me, Aditya. Tell everyone if you want to.
Pongal, sir, we make this. What is this? Pongal means we eat and make Pongal.
So you will
It's a
also
dish.
send me Pongal or not? I know.
What, sir?
When I was in Bangalore, I ate Pongal.
And then we also eat sugar cane, and there's like festival.
So Aditya, are you going to send me or not?
Sugar cane, sir.
No, the Pongal, the dish.
Pongal.
Yes, he's smiling. Okay. Yes, continue, Aditya. What are you going to do?
That's it, sir. Just
That's
wear
it.
clothes, celebrate. That's it.
Okay. So, Panas, you are able to hear me. What about Vihan now? Vihan, come on screen. Am I audible? To Vihan? So Vihan, when you joined, no, he knows because he every time he joins, right? When you join, you have to just allow your computer audio or device audio. Not Bongal, it is Pongal. Aditya, explain what is Pongal. Panas is asking you.
It's a harvesting festival for Tamil
It's a
Nadu.
harvesting festival. Like in North, we call it Makar Sankranti. You know why we call it Makar Sankranti, guys? It's a harvesting. It's a new start of new crop, start of new year, start of new phase, right?
But he said he
Okay.
also eats pongal. So what is the
So it's a
eating?
dish. So the name is like that. So he can explain what is made up of. I don't know, but I ate. I've eaten earlier. Yes, Aditya, what is pongal? The dish.
I don't know how to explain it in words.
So you know what Aditya will do? Aditya will explain. Aditya will send one packet of pongal to all of us. Okay, Aditya? Thank you so much. He's already saying he will send it. Okay. He's smiling. Okay, guys, let's start. Let's see whether our Vihan is able to join in with audio or not. Vihan, finally, Vihan, we are able to hear you. Good. Divyam, how are you? Good, Vihan. Good to see you. Finally, it worked. Vihan, are you going to fly the kite? No, in Canada.
What?
Do you know kite flying or no?
Yes, I do.
Do you get kite in Canada? No.
Because we
Yes.
don't have room to. We don't have any room to fly the kite.
Okay, I understand. Yeah, you have to go to terrace, right? Okay. Skanda, you want to say anything? No? Let's start. So we learned, yes, Divyam, tell me. Unmute.
Canada. There's kites in Canada.
There are kites in Canada,
Yeah.
but are you going to fly? No. No? Okay. Chalo, let's start. So, happy Pongal, happy Makar Sankranti, happy Lohri, and happy New Year. Today we are going to learn one very interesting thing, but I'm not going to tell you what it is, I'm going to tell you why it is, okay? I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'm going to tell you what it is. And then you understand why we need this. I'll ask you a very simple question. I don't want answer for that. I want the logic. If I say someone 2 plus 3 times 5. Now, you know the problem is what? The problem is, okay, let me tell you one more. Plus 1. Okay? Now the problem with is, it all depends on people. Aditya says, sir, again, I'm just making a small story. Okay, Aditya? It's not that you will do that. Okay, Aditya says, sir, I start from the left. Suppose Aditya says that. So Aditya get answer is 2 plus 3, 5. 5 and 25 and 20. Skanda say, no, sir. I'll start from the right. So Skanda says, sir, 5 and 6, 18 plus 2, 20. Vihan say, no, sir. I'll start from middle. 5 and 3, 15, 17, 18. So do you see the problem? Every student trying somebody from left, somebody from right, somebody from middle. Chetan, maths works like that? Can maths work like that? Everybody gets their own different answers? No, right?
Yes, sir.
So maths cannot work like that. That ki Aditya think, oh, I'll do from left, Vihan do say I from right, Skanda say I'll do from top. No. The problem is how to decide if a question is given, where to start, which one to do first. That is why we need some kind of a rule. We need a rule to simplify. And that rule is known as BODMAS. BODMAS tells you order of precedence. Means what? It will tell you which one you do first. If there is an addition, there is a subtraction, there is a multiplication, there is a division, there is a bracket. What is? Actually, we should call it V-BODMAS. I'll explain about it. Wait, Chaitanya.
Sir, I know.
I know many of you will know a little bit, but I'll give you complete information. We are going to start with easy question. We're going to make it very, 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 very difficult. Okay? I want to see how many can do this challenge. But before that, understand why we need a rule called V-BODMAS or both. So why we need the rule? Because we cannot decide or we cannot give it to the people, oh, you do from left or right or top. There should be a rule, right, Aditya? There should be proper to decide should we do addition first or subtraction first or multiplication first. That is known as V-BODMAS, L-BODMAS, FIDMAS, they are different names. So what is the BODMAS or V-BODMAS means? So let's talk about what is the rule about V, what is V-BODMAS? Or we also call it L-BODMAS. There are so many names. So let's understand what each word means here. L means you should write line bar. V because vinculum also we call it vinculum. Ira, welcome. You are able to hear me, Ira?
Yes.
So Ira, I was asking before the start of the class. I'll ask you the same question. Have you ever flown the kite?
What?
Have you ever tried kite flying or not?
What? I can't hear you.
Kite flying, kites.
Yes.
Have you ever flown the kite?
Yes, I have flown it in Amritsar.
Are you going to try tomorrow or not?
We do it yesterday. On
You did
Lodi.
already yesterday?
No, we do it on Lodi. Yes, we do it on
Okay.
Lodi.
It was on Lohri. We call it Lohri, yeah. So, wishes for your Lohri, belated wishes. We are going to do it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Over there, we do it on Lodi.
Yeah, and we do it Makar Sankranti. Right? Sankranti is there tomorrow.
And in Amritsar, instead of the sky is not blue, it's colorful with kites full of it.
Yeah. That's what I was telling someone. If you go to a Delhi side or north side or Punjab side, lot of kites in the sky, right, Ira?
Yeah.
Yes. Good.
I used to
So-
fly kites in India, in Amritsar.
I can understand Panas. He is feeling so bad because in Germany he's not getting kites. You want Ira to send you kites?
No.
See, he's in Germany and he's not getting kites there.
We didn't do
Oh.
it this.
This year you not done it, okay. But I'm going to do kite flying after so many years, so many years.
Why after so many?
See, when I was in Bangalore, there's not much. So
Yeah.
even I was busy. In Pune
Okay.
also not much. But here in North, in Jaipur, too much. Everywhere I can see the kite shop. Everyone, people are like planning kites. So I'm also really excited.
Some people like wake up at 4 o'clock in Amritsar and start flying kites because then the wind is like
Less.
going. That's
Heh?
why.
I don't know.
Yeah, 4 a.m. Can you believe, guys? 4 a.m.
I
Yes.
never. They don't do it at 4 a.m.
Yeah.
No, she's saying and she would have seen it, right?
Even I woke
Okay.
up.
That's nice. So let's come back to this simplification. We are going to learn today BODMAS or L-BODMAS or V-BODMAS or FIDMAS. The point is, tell Aditya, everyone, you should explain why we need a rule called BODMAS. What is the objective?
So when we get a question like you've given about 2 plus 3 into 5 plus 1, we have to use this order to find out the correct answer. Any other order will lead you into a different
Wrong
answer.
answer. Correct? So what is the meaning of this, guys? The meaning of this is, if in the question you have line bar, listen carefully, Divyam, Kanda and everyone, Ira. In a question, if there is a line bar, first you solve this. If there is no line bar, if there is a bracket in the question, first solve the bracket. If there is no bracket, solve the order or off. We also call order or off. If there is no order, if there is a division, call division first. If no division, check for multiplication. If no multiplication, check for addition and then subtraction. So in the given question here, let me put in a box. If this is a question, what are operations we have? Addition. Okay, let me make it a little different now. Make it. Okay, let's try. So we have addition and multiplication. Correct, everybody? In this question, Skanda. So as per BODMAS rule, we are going to do addition first or multiplication first? Skanda. In this question, are we going to do addition first or multiplication?
Multiplication, sir.
Because the BODMAS rule says multiplication comes before addition. So first you multiply. What is 3, guys?
Sir, 5 is a 15, sir.
15. The question becomes 2 plus 15 plus 1. What is 2 plus 15?
17.
And what is 17 plus 1?
18.
So that is the correct answer. 18 is the correct answer because you have applied the order of BODMAS. Has everybody noted down this one? Because I'm going to erase it. We are going to do lot of questions on BODMAS. Many, many questions. Understood what is like explaining. BODMAS tool is to simplify the equation, simplify the expression. How you answer, how you simplify the given question. Okay, Ira? So BODMAS, let's understand first. If I say this, I'll ask one question to each of you. We'll start with Vihan first. Vihan, if the question is 2 times or 2 plus 5 times 2 bracket minus 1, tell Vihan everyone what is the first, what are the operations in this question? We have addition, we have a bracket, we have multiplication, we have subtraction, right, Vihan?
Yes.
As per BODMAS rule, which is the first thing you are going to do?
Brackets.
Bracket, because as BODMAS, B for bracket. So we'll solve the bracket first. So he'll copy the question as it is. He'll write 2 plus. Now, what is the answer of this bracket?
10.
5 times 2, 10. And then what is remaining? Minus 1. Now, what you will solve first?
Addition.
So guys, addition, subtraction, same thing. You can do both in the same level. You can do any of them first. But addition is given on the left side, so left side. What is 2 plus 10? 12.
Equals 12. Minus
So the
1
final
equals
answer is
11.
very good. Got everybody? Very good. Second, Kanda, you will do the second question. If I
Yes,
say
sir.
8
Multiplied by
so Skanda, tell everyone what are the operations given in the question first.
Sir, multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition.
Very nice. What is the first thing you are going to do?
8 divided by 4.
First, you will do divided or for because BODMAS, no bracket, no off, division is the first thing. What is divided by 4?
2.
So now you will write the full
2
question
minus
remaining,
2, 0.
No, Skanda.
Plus
This is
3.
no, Skanda. This is the question now. What is remaining now? Subtraction, addition, and multiplication. What is next?
Sir, 3 into 2.
So don't say subtraction. First, you will do multiplication now.
Sir, 6, sir.
6.
6 plus 2.
No, 2 minus 2 plus 6.
2 minus 2 plus 6.
2 minus 2 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6.
Yes, sir.
So somebody will say, sir, minus 2 plus 6. So you can do that also. But when addition subtraction is that you go from left to right. So 6 is the answer. Okay. Next we'll go to, where is Aditya went?
Aditya went out of
Let me go to Chaitanya now. Okay. Aditya is there. Chaitanya,
Yes, sir.
see this question and try and tell me. Chaitanya, what are the operations here?
Sir, the operation first are of
Of and multiply. So what is the first thing you are going to do?
Sir, we do of.
Because BODMAS O comes before the D, M, and A. Oh. And guys, off means multiply again, correct? So what is 6 of 3 means? Off means to multiply them. What is 6 of 3?
Sir, 18.
So question becomes 18 minus 2 times 4. What you will do next, Chaitanya?
8.
Sir,
You will do multiply now.
yes, sir. Sir, the
Question
answer,
becomes what? 18 minus 8. The answer is
sir, 10.
correct. I'll come to you. Ira, your question? Ask me.
Yes. Sir, I didn't understand the meaning of the line. 1.
Line bar, I'll explain little later because I don't explain yet. I'll explain it little later. When I give you examples, then I'll explain. Okay?
Okay. So right now we have not done because I don't think I heard it.
But I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you.
Okay.
Good, Panas. Good, Aditya. So now, you know, Ira is a very disciplined. You know, she will not speak until I. Very good, Ira. I love your attitude. I told earlier also, right? She'll just put her hand like that and she'll wait for it. Ira, you have a very nice attitude. This is very, very good. Keep it up. She's a very disciplined. She will not speak until I tell her. Very good, very, very nice way of discipline. Good. So next is for Ira. Ira, this is your question. Explain to everybody how you going to do. Tell me, I tell everyone, Ira, what are the operations in the question?
There is addition, bracket, subtraction, multiplication.
What is the first thing you want to do?
And what is
First thing you want to do is
bracket?
brackets. In the bracket also, what are operations?
2 of 5.
Off and subtraction. Which one will do first?
Off means subtraction.
Off means multiplication.
So there's 2
Off means, so first he is going to do 2 of 5. What is 2 of 5?
10.
10. So the question becomes like this, Ira, right?
Yes.
So the bracket is not solved. She still solve the bracket.
And
So she will solve this bracket first.
sir,
Yes, please.
so only multiplication can come twice, or all the operations can come twice?
It can come. No, you are saying this
Like
thing out here.
Yeah, you did only multiplication twice, so can like
No,
so-
where I done multiplication twice? No.
no, that off one you have written.
No, off means multiplication.
So that can only happen multiplication, or it can happen division, subtraction, and all.
No, all the operations are separate. What I'm trying to say is, if suppose question is written 3 of 6, means 3 times.
Yeah.
If question is written 2 of 3 of 5, it means 2 times 3 times. Off means you do the multiplication. That is the meaning.
No, can like instead of off, can it come addition or subtraction or something?
Anything, it all depends on our question. Yes, the question I gave you is about off, right?
Okay.
But whenever off is there, Ira, you have to always do multiply.
Okay.
So now, what you do first now? You solve the brackets,
We'll do 10 minus 5.
which is
I'll
9.
take 1.
Now what you will do?
After that, I will now multiplication.
No, you were there.
Multi-
So
9 2s are 18. Now 18.
now finally,
The answer is 24.
very nice, Ira. Can you rename it, please? Because it still shows your father's name, maybe.
Aditya is her
Good.
father's name.
Yes. Got it, everyone? Next, Divyam.
Koi pasa. Koi
How will you solve this, Divyam?
Koi pasa.
Guys, what you're doing? No other talk, please. Divyam. These are easy questions, guys. I'm going to make it very difficult. There's Panash. What you're saying? There is no other talk, please. Yes, Divyam. What are the operations here?
5 plus 4, 9 plus 2.
No. You have to tell me operations. One is addition operation, one is a bracket, one is a multiplication, one is subtraction. Correct or not? You have addition, you have subtraction, you have multiplication, you have brackets. Correct? So out of all this, which is the first thing you will solve? Addition or subtraction or multiplication or bracket?
Pardon?
You know the rule, BODMAS? What BODMAS does? It tells you which one to do first. What is D means? D means bracket. What O means? Off. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition, as is other. Did you note it down? Did you explain? So, Divya, we are going to learn the rule of BODMAS. BODMAS is a method to simplify the question in an order. Okay. So, Divya, the point is, you have addition here, you have bracket here, you have multiplication, you have subtraction, correct? So, you cannot say that I will do 5 plus 4. No. First is what? B. B means what?
Bracket.
B stands for bracket. So, Divya will say, sir, first I will solve the bracket, correct? In the bracket, what we have? Addition and multiplication. In the bracket, what two things you have? Addition and multiplication. So which one you do for? What A means? Multiplication. A means addition. Which comes
Addition.
before? Multiplication comes before or addition?
Addition.
No. If you read this, you're not reading this.
In the question though.
No, in the question. Question doesn't matter where it comes first. BODMAS decides. B means, I told you, B means bracket, right?
Multiplication.
So, you know, the rule is BODMAS means first you do bracket, then you listen to me, I'm repeating for you. B is a bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication. It means if multiplication is there, and addition is there, first you do multiplication. You do in the order of BODMAS, okay? So, in this question, in this bracket, you will do addition first or multiplication? Multiplication, because M comes before A, right? So multiplication 2 times 3.
6.
6. No subtraction addition. What about 6? 10. So the question becomes this. Now you have addition and subtraction. So what you will do here now?
26. Wait, no.
No. Don't tell the answer given directly. We are trying to solve the method. What is the first addition? 5 plus 10, 15.
15.
And 15 minus 11, 4. We are learning how to apply the BODMAS theorem. Okay. So what we are doing here means we are applying as per the rule of BODMAS. First bracket, then off, then division, then multiply, then add, then subtract. Okay. Apply the rule using the BODMAS. Next. So who has done? Chaitanya has done, Skanda has done. Who has not done? Vihan has not done, and Aditya has not done. And Panash, right? Where is Aditya? Where is Panash?
I'm here.
Aditya is there, Panash is there, and Vihan, have you done?
I'm done. I
You are
did
done.
mine.
Perfect. So no, so let's try first with Aditya and then Panash. So now I'm going to explain you also the line bar, okay, Ira, and everyone. I'm going to give more difficult question for Aditya. 4 plus 2 of 5 minus. Guys, listen very carefully, okay? And now I'm going to put, guys, bar. This is line bar. Ira, this is line bar. This is line bar. Got it, guys? So now we have to apply full L BODMAS. Aditya, explain what are the operations here in the question.
Okay, sir. There is the division.
Line bar.
No, there is line bar. there is multiplication, there is addition, and there is also subtraction.
And there's a off and there's a bracket. Bracket is also there.
Off bracket.
So what will you solve first?
We should solve the bracket first.
No. L-BODMAS. L means line bar. So Aditya,
Bar.
the rule
But how
is
to line-
L-BODMAS. L
How-
means
line
line
bar.
bar. Or we also call it V. You know why? V means vinculum. V means vinculum or line bar are same. Okay? Both are same. So you call
Okay.
it V-BODMAS or L-BODMAS. Both are same. Whatever. So first of all, line bar is there. No, vinculum. I put the wrong spelling. Sorry. Vinculum. So guys, the first thing is always solve the line bar. If line bar is not there, then you go for bracket. So let's see. So first is the line bar, right?
Yes, sir.
So line bar is here. So means first we'll do this operation, correct? What is 5 minus 2?
3.
So we are going to solve this. So now I'm going to copy this, guys, so that we don't do mistake. So Aditya, I'm copying for everyone this. What Aditya will say, sir? First we'll subtract 5 minus 2 becomes 3 and bar goes. Let me remove the bar. Correct?
Yes,
Now
sir.
what will Aditya do?
Do the other line bar.
Other line bar. So a line bar has a ring subtraction. So Aditya will do 2 minus 1, 1, bar is gone. What? Because we are doing very slowly because I don't want to be confused. So
Now 3. We have to do the off. No. Yes. No. Bracket.
oh,
Bracket.
so
3
bracket.
into 1 is equal to 3.
So this bracket has 1 is 3. Now what?
Now we have to do the off. 3 into
So
2.
wait, Aditya. Vivian, you know why I'm telling? Because he's using this rule. He said, sir, first we'll do line bar. Then Vivian, he said he will do bracket. No, he said he will do off. Okay, we are always following this rule. Okay, Vivian? Always. So Aditya, continue. First you do 2 of 3. What is 2 of 3?
6, sir.
Because off is always the multiple. So what next?
So now we have to do the multiplication. 6 into 3, 18.
And finally,
Plus 4 is equal to 22.
so that is what full L-BODMAS, where you use line bar also. Very good, Aditya. Got everybody? Because in the next few minutes, this question to all of you. Okay, Skanda, wake up.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, you had done the off one first and the sign one second. So it's like the same thing, or we have to do the off one first?
Which sign?
No, in this you had first.
See, first will always be line bar, correct?
What? No, I'm saying when you had finished the line bar, you had done the off one first, and after that the
Hmm.
multiplication.
No, first I correct because O comes before multiplication, right?
Yes, so it's we can do any, or we have to do the off one first.
We have to always do off first. No, Ira, you have to follow this rule in this order, left to right. First do L, then do B, then O, then D. So order comes before multiplication, right?
Order means the off one.
Order means off. Order equal to off equal to multiply.
Okay.
That is why you do order first.
Okay.
Always. Let's try Panash. Your question come on screen.
Why me is not coming on the screen? It's just showing a camera with a slash.
Camera with slash. Why?
Don't know.
Don't know.
It's just showing a camera with a slash. Even though my camera is on, so yes.
Wait. So explain to you will explain to everybody in a moment.
Should this be a line bar?
And this is the division. First, tell Panash everyone how many operations are there and which are.
Line, bracket, plus, off, subtraction, division, and minus.
Okay. What is the first thing you're going to do?
Line
Line bar. So line bar is
4 minus
this
2.
one.
That's
Correct?
equal to 4 minus 2 is
2.
equal to 2.
So now you are right. So now your question you have to rewrite, guys. A lot of people don't rewrite. The question will become, because if you don't rewrite the question, guys, you will do wrong. The question becomes like this, right, Panash?
Yeah.
I know it's a hard one to do, guys, but you should do because otherwise we'll miss. What is the next thing you're going to do?
Bracket and off.
Bracket first, not
Off
bracket
in
out.
the bracket. Off in the bracket.
First you'll do the bracket, correct?
Yeah.
So he's saying he'll do the bracket first. This is the bracket he's going to solve. Now in the bracket itself, we have an addition, we have a subtraction, we have an off. So
I'll
what
do
will be in the
off
bracket?
first. Off
Off
first.
first, because off comes before addition. So how much is 1 of 2?
2.
He's put 2 here. So in the bracket, what is remaining now? 2
2 plus 3
3 minus
2.
2. This is the bracket. What is the answer of bracket?
So we do first, then we do plus 2
5.
plus 3, 5 minus 2, 3. So
So
bracket
the
3.
bracket answer is 3, right, guys? Now I'll rewrite the question. 8 divided by 2 of 3. Yes, please ask me before Panas says yes, please. Is anyone asking a question? It's a difficult question. First, we solve the complete bracket. Panas, 8 divided by 2 of 3. What is next you'll do?
We do first off again. 2 of 3 is equal to 6.
So 8 divided by 2 of 3 is 6. Now, a lot of people ask me, sir, if off and multiplication are same, then what is the difference? The difference is here. You cannot divide first because off is hard. Okay? Is right? Anna? So off will multiply, but they are same. Because if you see this question, Panas said, sir, first I will do 2 of 3 because off is earlier than 3. So answer is 8 divided by 6. 8 divided by 6 or
Is
4 by 3. That is the answer. Right, Panash?
yeah.
Is anyone any question? Any doubt? Because I know I'm going to give you question to solve. All of you will solve a lot of questions, okay?
Everybody all together, or will you ask?
Everybody solve the right answer on check. I think
Okay.
everyone right. Is anyone missed out?
Nope.
Let's try this one now. Everyone simplify this. 8. I'll put division here, okay?
Okay. Minus is division.
No, I'll put it, wait.
Okay.
I want everyone to solve this and give me the final answer. Let's see how many you can do. 8 divided by bracket 2 plus 2 plus 2 of 3 minus 2. Everybody try it out. I want to see how many of you can simplify fast. BODMAS, BODMAS, apply this. Everyone must try. Okay, Aditya, let's see others. Skanda says 6, Aditya says 6. Let's see others. Everyone must attempt whatever you get, okay? Chaitanya, Vihan, all good? Vihan says 6, okay. Chaitanya says 6, okay, good. Divyam, what is the first thing you will do here? Done? Divyam, you have a question?
Wait, I'm writing.
Okay, Divyam, ask me. Very good, Divyam, 6. But ask me Divyam question.
Uh, are we supposed to divide the 8 by the answer, or
First thing
just
is, what is the first thing you will do? You have division here, you have bracket here, you have plus here, you have off and minus. First thing, what you will do?
brackets and then
Right. What is the
and
what is
then
the answer of
of and then
You are correct. So your question will become like this or not? 8 divided by bracket is 2 plus 2, 4. Right, Divyam? Your question will become like this or not? Because you solved this first. Correct, Divyam, or not? So now ask me your question. What is the next thing you will do? BODMAS. Yes, Divyam.
you would do of
You will do off. So you will solve this. How much is the answer of this?
6.
So your question becomes now 8 divided by 4. You have to always copy the remaining question. Plus, you got 6 here, right, Divyam? So now you have a division, addition, subtraction. What will you do first now, Divyam?
The division.
Divide. So how much is 8 divided by 4?
Pardon?
How much is 8 divided by 4? 8 divided by 4 is 2, right? It's a normal like. How do you divide by 4? 2. So now your question becomes 2 plus 6 minus 2 or not? Know what you solve? Addition. 8 minus 2. So final answer of everyone will be 6. Correct, Ira?
6.
Correct. Everybody got 6. Very good. So guys, here I'm going to give you more difficult now. Is all good? Let's try to make more difficult question. 4 plus 2 minus 3 of 0 plus 5 of Try everybody this question. Simplify. Let's see how many you get it correct. And after this, I'm going to give you line bar. First, try this. 4 plus 2 minus 3 of 0 plus 5 in bracket of 4 minus bracket 1 plus 2 of 3. Skanda, trying or not?
Trying, sir.
Okay, good. Did you have try? Four plus bracket 2 minus 3 of 0 plus 5 times of 4 minus something. Okay, Skanda got something. Aditya got something. Okay. Aditya and Skanda answer different. I'm not sure who is right. Let's see others also.
Hmm.
Divyam got different answers. Skanda, Aditya, Divyam all different answers. Good. Let's see what Vihan, Ira, Panash, Chaitanya says. Panash, are you ready to answer?
No, it was not even. No, it was not sitting in my notebook. I had to make it I had to make it
Okay.
shorter and smaller to make it fit in the notebook.
Vihan got 35, Divyam got 10, Aditya got 11, and Chanda got
And
6.
I am still
Everybody's
solving.
different. Everybody's different. I want to see everything different.
I'm
answers,
still
then very
solving.
interesting. Okay, Panash. I'm still waiting for Ira and Panash and Chaitanya. Let's see what happens. Chaitanya got 9. Okay, guys, you all will laugh. Let's see who is right. I'm very eager to know who is right. So we have Vihan 35, we have Chaitanya 9, we have Divyam 10, we have Aditya 11, and we have Chanda 6. Good thing is everybody is different. Right, Chanda? It's very different. So let's see what Ira get it and why and what Panash get.
Huh? What's wrong here?
Panash, ready? And Ira, how far are you? 2 more steps. No problem, Vihan. I don't know, Vihan. Maybe you are the closest one to right answer. Maybe. We don't know.
Maybe he isn't.
So I don't know the answer. I not solve it, but let me solve it in mind. Okay. This much. And okay, I got my answer. Orally. Just by scanning. Okay.
Huh? It's
And you
2
know what?
minus 2.
And you know what? As of now, everybody is wrong. Very interesting.
It's 2 minus 5.
Everything is on screen, Panash.
Excuse me, sir.
Very Aditya. Yes, please, Chaitanya.
Sir,
I'm here.
it can't be explained.
Ira got 7. See, I know why this echo is there. Is someone audio? Okay, shall I solve it now? Let's try.
Wait.
Panash.
There are voices.
Can everybody mute? Because I'm getting echo. Can everybody mute? Okay, maybe Divya, maybe I'm getting echo from your side. Maybe. That's fine. So I'll solve now step by step. Yeah, Divya, I'm getting echo from your side maybe. Because no one unmute. That's fine. When you want to speak, you can unmute. Okay, not now. So first, Aditya, where are you? So first, Vihan will tell you what the first step, Vihan.
I'm here, sir.
Yes, Vihan, what is the first step?
The brackets.
So we'll solve this bracket, right, Vihan?
Yes.
So let me first copy the question so that we don't miss. So Vihan, in this bracket, what is the solve first? Divya, please mute. Yes, Vihan.
It is
What is the first thing?
2 minus 3 of 0. So it's 2.
No. First we'll do off, right?
Oh, yeah.
What is 3 of 0?
0 equals 0.
0. Now you will do 2 minus 0, which is 2. And then you do 2 plus 5, 7. Correct?
7.
Tell me, Ira, what is next step? Look at my screen, Ira, and tell you what is next step. Thank you, Vihan. Mute yourself.
Now we have to.
What is the next step? Yes, Ira?
Now we have to solve 7 multiplied by 4.
No. You still have a bracket.
2 multiplied by 3.
First you solve this bracket, 2 of 3 is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, correct? Now still you have to bracket still there, right?
Yes.
So,
6 plus 1 is 6.
so
And
no
7.
bracket goes 7. Thank you. Tell me, Chaitanya, what's the next step?
Sir, the next step is off.
Very good. So 7 of 4.
Yes, sir.
7 of 4 is 7 times 4, 28. Thank you,
Excuse-
Chaitanya. 28. Divya, what's the next step? 4 plus 28 minus 7. You add them, right, Divya? 4 plus 28 minus 7, you will add 4 and 28.
Why is there so much?
32 and then
And final, what's the answer finally, Skanda?
25, sir.
25 final answer. Has anyone got final answer 25? No. Why, guys? So everybody check where is the mistake. None of you got 25. I am surprised.
I think I
2 of 3.
I think I copied something wrong.
Okay. Where is Aditya?
And I think
I'm here, sir.
Why I'm not seeing you and why not you? Yes, we are. Sorry. Palash, complete your sentence, then Aditya will speak. So everybody check your mistakes and tell me, Aditya, where was the mistake? Where is the mistake? Chaitanya, Skanda, everybody got different answer. 25 is the final
I
answer.
got confused in the off one.
Okay.
Even me,
Aditya.
I
Okay. Skanda,
got
yours.
the off.
I erased
Okay,
so much.
Aditya.
I erased so much and replaced it that I don't know my
Sir,
mistake.
I made a small mistake, sir.
No
Like
problem.
3 offs, sir. I made that small
No problem.
mistake.
I
No
think
problem.
I
Everybody
made.
try next one. Yes,
I
please.
think I made plus minus.
Okay. Let's try next one. Okay. Challenge number 2. This was challenge number 1. Okay. Try
That
this.
was challenge number 1.
Previous one.
Ah. Nothing is fitting in my notebook.
I know I'm giving big questions, but that is how it is. Wait, I'll make it more bigger. Wait, okay. Wait, first I have to put the signs also here, then I'll tell you. So now the question is, this is the division here, and 8, 5 minus. This is the bar here. This is the question, guys. Now you note down the question carefully and then try. 3 times bracket 5 times 4 minus 2 in the bar of 2 bracket close plus 0 of 3 plus 2 in the bracket minus 8 divided by 4 of 2. Very interesting. Let's see who can do this correctly. Okay. Take your time. Do 1 by 7. Panash, don't try to cancel the line. Write in separate steps. So later you can check, guys, where was the mistake. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Let's go. Method is exactly same. Apply V-BODMAS. That's it. Kanna got his answer. Let's see. I'll not say what answer he got. First, everybody type on the private chat. Okay. Kanna got his answer. Let's see. Apply V-BODMAS. First line bar, then brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtract. Nothing else. Let's see how we'll solve this. Let me see my answer. I got my answer. You know, sir, just I scan and get it. You should also try to practice like this. Sorry? That's why V-BODMAS rule is very important. Otherwise, you don't know how to start from, where to start from. Right? It's all too many operations. I know you will take a lot of time to write the question itself. And Skanda, in the meantime, you can cross check. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but cross check. There is Chaitanya. Chaitanya is there. Why people are not on screen? Come on screen, guys, everyone.
When I come on screen, it doesn't show my screen. It only shows the camera.
Panache is a problem. But means looks like you disabled something.
I have integrated camera. Should I stop that?
But if you have to do two cameras, then you can stop integrated camera and try other one. Yes.
What?
If you have an external camera also, then you can stop integrated camera and start the external.
I only
Aditya
have
got, okay, Aditya got 59, Skanda got 26. Let's see others. Chaitanya got 59. Okay, let's see others. Divyam got 601. 601 or 60 minus 1, you are saying, Divyam? I'm just asking because 60 minus 1 is 59, so I'm just guessing. I'm not sure. 61, okay. Let's see. This time the answers are more close because 59, 59, 61, and then 26. Okay. Vihan got 1, okay. Vihan is saying, I don't know. But good, at least you know the method. Maybe somewhere we don't know. I'll explain. I'm waiting for Panache, Ira. Okay, 2 people. Three times, 5 times, the chances of me getting that wrong is 98.99%.
chances of me getting it wrong 100%.
But where is your answer?
I am getting 5 minus 8, and it's really weird that I'm getting answers in minus.
That's no, it can happen. See, I can put I don't know. I'm not saying right or wrong, but you put whatever you get. You can get negative answer also, you get fraction also. You can get, so depend on the expressions, right, Panache? Oh, Panache video came now somehow, though he is not there.
I know there's just an option to make your camera different.
What are you showing, Vihan? Vihan, what is that?
I'm trying to make a light with the mirror.
Okay,
It works.
Is
It
it?
actually works. I just need to point
Okay.
out the screen, and then
So
it makes a
write your
flashlight.
answer, Panache. Write your answer, Ira.
No, sir.
Yes.
How can I write 20 plus of 3 divided by 8?
So it's a fraction. Just write whatever you get in the fraction itself. You write as it is. We'll solve it later. Just write 20 plus something divided by 8. We'll do it later. Okay. So Ira, tell me the first step. What is the first step you'll do?
1 minute, I'm almost done.
Okay. Guys, one last minute and then we're going to do. Till Vihan is playing. Enjoy the Vihan show. Okay? Vihan's show is happening now.
It's finished.
Finished. Panash, shoot your answer quickly. Ira, what the first step we'll do here? You're on mute. Ira, you are on mute. Is Ira speaking to me? Ira, unmute, please. Yes.
Question.
So, Ira, what is the first thing you will do?
Sir, I answered.
No, you are on mute. I didn't answer it. That's why I was telling you, you are on mute. You are on mute.
No, I wrote my answer in the chat box. One minute.
No, you have to explain the method first. What is the first one? First step. First step will be
3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied.
no. Firstly, this bracket or not. See the screen.
No, I'm telling my answer what I've written.
That I saw. That's fine. I'm not asking answer, Ira.
No,
I'm
my
trying.
second step is I've written. I'm not telling that.
Okay. Yes, please.
3 multiplied by bracket 5 multiplied by 2 of 2 bracket plus 0 of bracket 3 plus minus 8 divided bracket 4 of 2 bracket.
Okay. So, Ira, what I'm asking now is in the given question on the screen, no, just look at my screen. So, what is the first thing you solved? Did you solve?
I solved the line.
Did you solve this thing in this? You solve the line first, right?
Yeah, the line.
So now,
3.
when you solve this line, this becomes 2.
Yeah. So it becomes 2.
Now you will solve what? In the same bracket. It becomes 5 times 2 of 2.
Now we will solve 2 multiplied by 2.
So 2 of 2 is 4.
4.
Now you will solve what?
What did I did wrong?
So 5 times 4 is 20, correct?
Okay.
No problem, Ira. So guys, she solved this whole bracket because we are solving for everyone now, Ira. So she got the whole bracket as 20. So
First we have
question
to
becomes
finish 1
3.
bracket.
Sorry?
First we have to finish 1 bracket, then start in the other bracket.
Correct. So this bracket is done. Plus 0 of. Tell me, Skanda, what is next? Where is Skanda gone? Tell me, Panash, what is
The
next?
next is
Okay,
off
Skanda.
2, sir.
Why off 2? What is, how much is this?
Sir, 3 plus 2, sir.
7.
6.
0 plus 2 is 5.
5, yes, sir. 5.
First we'll solve bracket before off.
Yes, sir.
Minus 8 divided by. Tell me, Chaitanya, what is next? This one, right?
Yes, sir. So the answer is 8.
4 of 2 is, sorry. 4 of 2 is 8. So now, guys, we have solved all the brackets. Everybody agree all the brackets are gone? Now tell me, Divya, after the bracket, what to do in this question in blue? 3 times 20 plus 0 of 5 minus 8 divided by. What is next thing you will do, Divya?
Multiply.
Oh. So how much is 0 of 5, guys?
0 of 5 is 0.
0. So now a question becomes 3 times 20 plus 0. Aditya, what's the next step you will do in the red question? No, I wrote the question in the red.
Now, since we did the off, the next is division. So
Division.
8 divided by 8 is equal to 1.
So now I'll change this. This becomes 1. So I'll rewrite the question because so that everyone will understand. 3 times 20 plus 0 minus. Everybody agree? Now tell me, Vihan, what will do now? 3 times 20 plus 0 minus 1. What will Vihan do now?
I will do multiplication.
3 times 20 is 60. 60 plus 0 is 60. 60 minus 1. So final answer, guys. Some of you got very correct. 2 people got it 59. Good. And Divyam, maybe you done 60 plus 1, right, Divyam? One small mistake. Good.
I meant to do 61.
Because maybe you done addition here instead of subtraction. So 59 is the right answer. Good. So tell others. So what I want others, like, see, mistake can happen. But if you understand the mistake, then you can do next time correct. Yes, that's fine, Vihan. But the point is, Panash and everyone else in Ira, you all can find out where was the problem, right? Easily in your notebook. Concept-wise, everybody is clear. You always do line bar first, then bracket, then off or order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. That is what simplification using V-BODMAS. Any question before we close today? No?
Yeah, sir.
No, I'll go to the library afterwards. So
Sure. Somebody was saying something. Okay, Panash. Yes, somebody was saying. Chaitanya was saying?
Yes, sir. In one question, sir, the answer is in fraction. So the what?
It can happen. So we have to solve the fraction like that. For example, like Ira was saying, right? So suppose, I'll just give example. Like suppose Ira is getting, suppose just example. Suppose you're getting 5 plus 2 by 3. Suppose Ira, okay? So you solve fraction, you know how to add fraction. We learned already how you add fraction. So like this.
5. Yeah.
So if you get the fraction, you solve the fraction the normal way. How you do? 17 by 3.
Sir, but is a
Correct.
normal. Sir, but there is a normal number, but the answer is a fraction.
It can happen, right? It can happen because why it will happen? Because there's a division. For example, if I give you like this, 8 divided by, let's say, 2 plus 8 divided by 4 times 3. Now, how will you solve this, guys? Tell me, everyone, how you solve? You said 2 plus. What is you solve? Okay, no, this one is still not a fraction. Let me change again. Suppose my question is 2 plus 8 times 4 divided by 3. Now what you will do, guys, first? First you will divide, right?
Yes, sir.
So 4 divided by 3, write as 4 divided by 3. Don't worry about it. Then what you will do? You multiply. 8 times 4 divided by 3 is 32 by 3. This is what I'm saying. So it becomes fraction. Or 2 plus 2 by 3. Using the fraction rule. So whenever there is a division, you get fraction. No question was not having fraction, right? Because fraction is nothing but a division. So it may happen. So 62, 6 plus 32, 38 by 3. Right, Chaitanya? So even the question doesn't look like a fraction, but answer can be a fraction because there is a division here. Cool. Any other question, anyone?
Sir.
Sure. So that's all. Enjoy, guys. No questions. And tomorrow in the same time, enjoy the festival. And bye-bye. Again, happy Lohri, happy Sankranti, happy Pongal. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
bye bye.
Thank
Happy
you.
New Year. Have a
Yes,
nice
thank
day.
you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.